Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for normal buyers. Chiliz was made by the Socios.com stage to permit fans to collaborate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital currency gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the potential chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the Socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz digital money cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Crucial worth. Fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of associate games groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the chance to partake in navigation in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the Socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Asociación Esportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the Auga Sports Group. Ownership of novel marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to select substance. Gamification, social associations, and list of competitors includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association. The GPL is a fan-driven, universally versatile esports association, made for the present gaming and esports people group, fueled by the Chiliz token. Casting a ballot rights bot for tokens are carried out utilizing savvy gets that permit direct communication between GPL groups and their fans. The venture didn't have a public ICO, as they raised $66 million from private financial backers. The undertaking pulled in the biggest digital money trades and driving cryptographic money subsidizes in Asia, including Binance, Allright Blockchain Capital, and Sayuan Adventures. Chiliz value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $14 and CHC is buy and by position no. 55 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Chiliz is 6,663,503,543 CHC, with a market cap of $947,565,448.52. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHC has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 4.32%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHC has expanded by 12.17%, adding a huge typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Chiliz value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 15 cents. The most extreme level that the CHC cost can reach is 18 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 16 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 72.7% by CHC value conjecture for WAC 2023 in light of the value changes of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHC pace of 11 cents in WAC 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, expected return on initial capital investment, 18.2% by April 2023. Chiliz value figure digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the CHC cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 11 cents, while the most extreme could reach 12 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 12 cents. Expected return for money invested, 18.2% by CHZ value figure for May 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Chiliz in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal CHC rate they anticipate may be around 12 cents in May 2023. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 13 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 27.3% by June 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The CHC cost will be exchanged at 13 cents by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 14 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 12 cents in June 2023. Likely return for money invested, 36.4% by CHZ value conjecture for July 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Chiliz costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, 13 cents. The least and pinnacle CHZ rates may be 13 cents and 14 cents. Likely return for money invested. 36.4% by August 2023. Chiliz value figure. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will be around 14 cents. In August 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 13 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 15 cents in August 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 45.4% by CHZ value conjecture for September 2023. Having broke down Chiliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 16 cents in September 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 14 cents. For September 2023, the gauge normal of Chiliz is almost 14 cents. Expected return for money invested. 54.5% by October 2023. Chiliz value conjecture around mid-2023. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the CHZ cost could vary somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 16 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 54.5% by CHZ value figure for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 15 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 17 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 15 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 63.6% by December 2023. Chiliz value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of CHZ costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 18 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 15 cents. In December 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 72.7% by Chiliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 21 cents. The greatest expected CHZ cost might be around 26 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Chiliz value forecast 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz. In 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 30 cents and 37 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 32 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Chiliz and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 43 cents, while its greatest can reach 52 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 45 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 76 cents and 62 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 64 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances